Welcome to our roundup of the best garden vacuums, powerful outdoor cleaning tools designed to make yard maintenance faster, easier, and far more efficient. Whether you're dealing with fallen leaves, grass clippings, small twigs, or garden debris, a good garden vacuum can help you keep your outdoor space clean without the effort of manual raking. Modern garden vacuums often come with multiple functions like vacuuming, blowing, and mulching, along with adjustable speed controls, lightweight cordless designs, and high-capacity collection bags. Many models also include easy switch modes, ergonomic handles, and efficient motor systems that improve airflow and reduce cleanup time. Choosing the right garden vacuum can save time, reduce physical strain, and keep your lawn and garden looking neat throughout the year. Let's take a closer look at some of the best garden vacuums available right now. Starting with the DeCopro Garden Vacuum. This model is a great option for users looking for affordable performance, simple operation, and practical cleaning power for small to medium-sized outdoor spaces. It typically features a lightweight design that makes it easy to maneuver around lawns, driveways, patios, and garden corners without much effort. Many versions include basic vacuum and blower functions that help remove leaves and light debris efficiently. The compact structure also makes it easy to store when not in use, especially in smaller sheds or garages. Its user-friendly controls make it suitable for beginners who want a straightforward outdoor cleaning solution. Additionally, it delivers steady suction and airflow performance for routine garden maintenance. It also improves convenience, enhances cleanup speed, and supports everyday yard care tasks. Next up is the Green Sweep Garden Vacuum, a versatile and dependable option designed for balanced performance, effective leaf collection, and practical outdoor cleaning for regular home use. This model typically features strong airflow capability combined with vacuum functionality to help gather leaves and debris quickly from lawns and hard surfaces. Many versions include large collection bags that reduce the need for frequent emptying during use. The ergonomic handle design helps improve comfort and control during longer cleaning sessions. Its lightweight construction also allows easier movement across larger garden areas without fatigue. Additionally, it provides consistent cleaning performance and reliable debris removal across different outdoor surfaces. It also improves usability, enhances efficiency, and supports regular garden upkeep. Moving on to the WRX Cordless Garden Vacuum. This model is known for its modern cordless design, strong performance, and flexible functionality for convenient outdoor cleaning without power cords. It typically features a high-speed motor that delivers strong suction and efficient blowing capability for leaves and light debris. Many versions include battery-powered operation that allows greater mobility and freedom when cleaning larger garden spaces. The lightweight design helps reduce strain during extended use while maintaining strong performance levels. Its multifunction capability often includes vacuum, blower, and mulching features for improved versatility. Additionally, it delivers reliable cleaning performance and consistent airflow control during operation. It also improves mobility, enhances convenience, and supports efficient yard maintenance. Stepping up in performance, the SnapFresh Garden Vacuum offers a strong balance of portability, ease of use, and efficient cleaning power for homeowners looking for a practical outdoor maintenance tool. This model typically features cordless operation combined with adjustable speed settings for better control over airflow and suction strength. Many versions include lightweight construction and ergonomic grips that make it easier to handle during longer cleaning tasks. The vacuum function is designed to efficiently collect leaves, grass, and small debris from gardens, patios, and driveways. Its compact design also makes it easy to store and transport when needed. Additionally, it delivers dependable cleaning performance and consistent results across everyday garden tasks. It also improves comfort, enhances usability, and supports efficient outdoor cleanup. Taking the top spot is the WRX Trivac Garden Vacuum, a highly advanced and well-rounded option designed for maximum versatility, powerful performance, and all-in-one outdoor cleaning capability. This model typically features a 3-in-1 system that combines vacuuming, blowing, and mulching functions for complete yard maintenance in a single tool. Many versions include strong motor performance that delivers high airflow for efficient leaf collection and debris removal. The built-in mulching system helps reduce collected waste volume, making disposal easier and more efficient. Its ergonomic design and lightweight build help improve control and reduce fatigue during extended use. The The quick mode switching system also allows seamless transitions between vacuum and blower functions. Additionally, it delivers powerful cleaning performance and consistent outdoor results across different garden conditions. It also stands out for its versatility, efficiency, and overall value for complete garden maintenance. All of these garden vacuums serve different needs depending on power, features, and yard size. The Decopro model offers affordable basic cleaning performance. The Green Suite model provides balanced functionality for regular garden upkeep. The WRX cordless model delivers strong wireless convenience and mobility. The SnapFresh model offers lightweight ease of use for everyday tasks. And the WRX Trivac stands out as the most versatile and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best garden vacuums. From simple leaf blowers to advanced 3-in-1 outdoor cleaning systems designed to keep your yard neat and tidy with minimal effort. Whether you're maintaining a small garden or a larger outdoor space, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which garden vacuum you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more outdoor tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your garden clean and well-maintained with the right garden vacuum.